If your dog sleeps more than a sloth, you're a nap connoisseur. Meet Bruce. Bruce isn't just any dog, he's a time-traveling snooze master. First stop, ancient Egypt. Bruce curls up beside a sphinx, dreaming in hieroglyphs. Next, he's in medieval times, napping on a knight's comfy chainmail. Fast forward to the Renaissance, and Bruce is dozing off beside Mona Lisa. She's smiling, but Bruce, he's snoring. Zoom to the Roaring Twenties, where Bruce finds a jazz club's couch irresistible. And finally to the future, where Bruce discovers a futuristic self-cleaning dog bed. Perfect. Bruce's epic nap adventure teaches us one thing. When it comes to finding the perfect snooze spot, sometimes you've got to think outside the kennel. Sweet dreams, Bruce.